24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Ask them to take turns and talk about their favorite animal in complete sentence. For example, my favorite animal is duck. Now, show the picture of a duck and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know where does it live? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is the picture of a duck. It is white, its name is duck, and it's a bird. Ask the children if they know that a duck lays eggs. You may get mixed responses. Now, show to the class a picture of a dog and frame the questions like you have asked about the duck. During this, if children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter D and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter D. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the small letter D with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 1, 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 came back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. The sad Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 came back.
Write letter D on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter D and it says D. Say the sound of the letter D. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. D, D, duck. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of the letter D activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter D on the first 3 lines and give instructions.
Start from the top line and move all the way down to the third line. Now move back up on the second line and make a curved line on the left side, touching the bottom line inwards.
Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter D with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter D in the air or on their desks or in their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize D. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter D can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.